Introducing the Brushless Driver Power Tool, the future of industrial assembly. The Brushless Driver Power Tool is a high-performance tool engineered for torque-controlled rundowns on functional joints in manufacturing assembly. Seamlessly compatible with our Global 400 or Global 400 MP controllers. Powered by a robust 20-volt lithium-ion battery, it combines a durable build with a reliable brushless motor, making it a long-lasting solution for demanding environments. Designed with efficiency and precision in mind, the brushless driver features automatic shut-off, double hit detection, LED and audible alerts, and adjustable speed programming, all aimed at reducing errors and improving workflow. Currently available as a kit, including tool, 2 batteries, charger and an adjustment tool. For more information on the brushless driver or other products in our power tools lineup, visit us at srtorque.com.